Hi friends, welcome back to Simple and Remedies. Today I will show the recipe of badam milk. So you need 15 almonds, sugar 4 tablespoons, 3 crushed cardamoms, saffron or food color, milk half liter. Soak almonds in hot water for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, peel the skin like this. Now grind almonds to smooth paste. Next, boil milk on high flame. Once milk starts boiling, reduce the flame to low and let milk boil for 7 minutes on low flame. Meanwhile, take 2 tablespoons of water and add saffron to it. Instead of saffron, you can use yellow food color. After 7 minutes, add almond paste to it and mix well. Add sugar and saffron water, mix well. Next, add crushed cardamom. Let the milk boil for another 9 minutes. After 9 minutes, switch off the flame. The milk is ready. Let it cool down for some time and enjoy.